little drinking mug for me. It's just to take in my gym bag, the Taekwondo. It's not going to be those colors. It's just going to be black with some lettering on there. And on the side, right there, you see it says 2020. Now, my 3D printer is heating. The extruder has to be at 200 degrees. Printer is now ready. Everything is heated up. Got some extra filament there. Take that off. There it is. Rudimentary beginning of the handle. See? There's the handle on the right-hand side. Filling in the bottom where it was just crisscross. Now it's filling it in so it's a solid bottom to the drinking cup. The bottom of the cup will just be a breakaway design so that you can just break away the bottom there, and it's just basically support material, like scaffold. That's the way 3D printers work. They build a bottom scaffold and then they build the solid material on top. More denser plastic, the way they interweave it. But once again, you can see the handle that's getting more complex there.